Okay, students, we are doing fundamental operations of algebra. Morning you have seen two videos. That is, first operation, that is addition, then subtraction, and then multiplication. You have learned it. So addition, subtraction, multiplication of algebra, algebraic expression. You have learned it. Now we learn division and then simplification. Okay, fine. Division, once you learn, no, you are supposed to know how to divide when the monomial divisor is there, how to divide when the binomial and trinomial divisor is there. Okay, we'll take some sums from your exercise 2C, page number A23. I will do question number 4th one. Question number 1, 4th one, let us solve. Question number 1, 4th one. Fourth one is said to you that minus 16 px divided by minus 16 px. You have to do the division. Divide is the word written. So divide minus 16 by what? That is minus 8. No, that is the question. Very simple. Here the divisor is a monomial expression which is a constant term. There is no problem. So what we need to do for algebraic division, no, if you write down this one, actually this is what you need, what operation you need to do. Divide means minus 8, no. That in algebra, if you do it in a fraction, that would be better. Minus 8, isn't it? Divisor is minus 8, dividend is minus 16 px. See, I will tell you, if you write down in a fraction and go for the simplification of the fraction, that's all. For if the divisor is a monomial, whether it's a constant term or whether it's a variable term, whether it's a variable term with 2-3 variables with its power, there is no problem. So what you need to do, see, minus divided by minus is plus, so these two will be cancelled. You can cancel this. Cancelling means plus only. 8 can divide 16, it will be 2. So nothing, no, so the answer come 2 px. That is the answer. Very simple, isn't it? This is the answer. Now moving on to question number 2. Question number 2, let us do 1 or 2. Question number 2, I will take the last one, 8th one. I will take 8th one. Is said to you that 168 divide 160 minus 168 is square b square cx square a square b square cx square by what? Minus 7 is a b square minus 7 a b square x square, I think. X square, yeah. So in this case, see what is there? The dividend is 168 a square b square c x square and divisor is 7a b square x square, isn't it? So this one also you frame with fraction like the previous one, a square b square c x square divided by minus 7a b square x square. Can you write down that? You can very well, no? So you write down this way, and then what you need to do, you just cancel. You just do the simplification as the way you are doing. Minus, first you do the sign one, minus divided by minus is plus. 7 can go with this here. 7 can cancel this. 7 2s are 40. Then 2 and 8 20. 7 4s are 20. Now division, you know that when you are multiplying some of the variable, that time power was adding. In case of division, it will be subtracting from the highest power to the lowest power. It will be subtracted. So a power 1, a power 2. So this will be cancelling and power 1. Power 1 means no power, no, usually don't have. B square will be cancelling with b square. C, it will not. X square will be cancelling this. So what is remain with? You remain with 12a, 24a. That will be the answer. I hope things are very easy. When the divisor is, once again you see, monomial term. Monomial term. Okay, let us do an expression. This dividend was a monomial expression. If dividend is a multinomial, then that time what we will do? Now let us do question number 3. That is multinomial divisors are there. Dividend is there. So let us see question number 3. is what does it say and how we'll do. See, I will take question number 3. Sixth one, isn't it? Sixth one, yeah. Sixth one says to you that minus 16 x to the power 8 y4 z5. Dividend is minus 16 x 8 y4 z raised 5, isn't it? Raised 5 minus the second term of the dividend is minus 20 x to the power 7 y cube z4. 20 x to the power 7 y cube z to the power s to the power 4 plus 24 x to the power 6 y square, then z cube divided by, the divisor is minus 4 x square minus 4x square y square z square. It's y square z square. Okay, fine. So what you need to do, I said you, see, can you write down x plus y by 2 is equal to x by 2 plus y by 2? We can very well, no? You solve this, 2 will be the LCM, then 2 divided by 2, 2 into x is x, this one. If you solve this one, it will come this. So we can write down, no? See, if single divisor is there, as many terms are there, the divisor can divide separately each term by the same divisor. That is what we will do it here also. First we will write down as minus 16 x to the power 8 y to the power 4 z to the power 5 minus 20 x power 7 y power 3 z power 4 plus 24 x power 6 y power 2 z raised 3 divided by the single divisor is minus 4 x square y square z square. Okay, next line what we'll do, no? Next line you just write down, you divide the divisor to the each term. So minus 16 x raised 8 y raised 4 z raised 5 divided by minus 4 x square y square z square. Now see, every term you do the plus sign, plus sign, and don't change the sign. So minus 20 x raised 7 y raised 3 z raised 4 divided by minus 4 x square y square z square. Now again the third term again plus, and then here again plus means no need writing anything, nothing is here means plus is there, z raised 3, and you are dividing with the same divisor, that is x minus 4x square y square z square. Now I will be cancelling this. How will you do this? See, first signs will be changing. 4 4s are 60, x power 2 x power 8, so subtracting x power 6, this is y power 2 y power 4, so here is y power, subtracting z power 2 z power 5, so z power 3 remains. See, the first time it is remaining, minus minus cancel, 4 5s are 20. Now x power 2 x power 7 means x power 5 will be y power 2 y power 3, subtracting will get y power 1, z power 2 and z power 4, it will be z power 2, and then this will be minus only, how much? 6 are 4 6 are 24, x power 2 cancelling, x power 4. Now y power 2 y power 2 will be cancelled, z power 2 is there, so z will remain. So what is remaining? See, things are very simple. 4 x raised power 6 y raised power 2 z raised power 3 plus second term will be 5 x raised power 5 y z square minus plus minus minus 6 x power 4 z, that will be the answer. Things are very simple once you divide the divisor to each term. If that divisor is the monomial term, just tally the answer. Question number 3 6 1, question number 3 6 1, 4 x raised 6 y square z cube plus 5 x raised 5 yz square minus 6 x raised 4 z. Correct answer. Could understand it. So this way you can solve all these things when the monomial divisor is there. Now question number 4 says to divide and verify your answer when the divisor is binomial. I hope you have understood it. You can copy this. Now I will go for question number 4 where divide and verify. Verification of division, how to do for the numerical number also. You know what to do. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That you have to do in algebra also. But when the divisor is binomial or trinomial, no, that time how will you do the division? That I will teach you. Now, which is very, very important. Sixth one I have taken. Pay attention and try to listen every step. You will understand. See, here the question is given. Sixth one, 6x raised q plus y square, 7y square, x square, I think 7x square, 7x square minus x minus 2, x minus 2. Be careful and not to write down wrong thing from your book. By this, by 3x plus 2. What will you do when the divisor is binomial or trinomial? That time you come for the original process of division with the division format and see, very interesting to solve it. Now what will you do? You can write the question this side, you can write the question on top. I will write down the question on top. See, you need to multiply with this to get the highest power. That means highest power of x is here, 6x cube. You need to find out plus 6x cube. Multiplying something with this you can find it. Multiplying with something, one of the term you will get it 6x cube. Definitely if you divide from 6x cube means divided by 3x, if you make it, then what will be 2x square. If you are multiplying 3x with 2x square, you will find 6x cube, because you will have to cancel that. You will divide so that this term vanish, then again we will go for next term to vanish. So you have multiplied. First step is to find out 6x cube plus 2x square. If you are multiplying with 3x, then 3 to the 6x cube. No, 6x cube. But you are multiplying 2x square with whole term of divisor. No, 3x plus 2. So first term you have multiplied, second time you have multiplied means 4x square. That 4x square plus 4x square, where you write down? Where will you write down? Exactly below the like term, 4x square. X square is there, so below like term. Now you do the subtraction. Division, you do the subtraction. Now here, whatever it is there, it will take on subtraction, it will be its opposite sign. That you don't have any doubt. So these two will be cancelled, and this one will be taking this sign. No, so minus 4x square. 7x square minus 4x square is 3x square plus 3x square. Now the top one, it will come down as the way it comes down for usual division. Now try to find out 3x square. Multiply something with this so that you find 3x square plus 3x square. What will you multiply? If you multiply plus x, then you will find 3x square. 3x into x is 3x square. So that is what you have done it. Plus you have multiplied with this, but the second term also has to be multiplied plus 2x. 2x value will write down where x is there. Plus 2x written. Now once again do the subtraction. Here these two are cancelling. This will be minus 3x and minus 2 will come down simply. Now you will have to multiply something to get minus 3x. What will you multiply? So minus 1 if you are multiplying, then you will find out minus 3x. Minus 1 multiplying with 2 will be minus 2. Then you don't have any remainder. Therefore, quotient became how much? 2x square plus x minus 1. Now how will you verify? Verification, how will you do? Verification, how will you do? That is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0 here. No, remainder, so that you will find the dividend. Let us see. If you multiply 2x square plus x minus 1 by 3x plus 2, what you are going to get? 3x square you are multiplying with 6x cube. 3x square you are multiplying with x means plus 3x square. 3x square you are multiplying with minus 1 is minus 3x. Now 2 you are multiplying plus 4x square. 2 to the 4x square you write down below like term 4x square. Now plus 2x you will write down here, then plus minus minus 2. Okay, now do the multiplication means addition operation you need to do 6x cube. Now here is plus, so plus 7x square, 3x square plus 4x square is 7x square, this one minus x minus 2. 2 ones are 2, isn't it? So here what was that? 2 ones are 2, then minus 2. So here is not the dividend, is equal to dividend verified plus remainder. So you have multiplied divisor, quotient with divisor, you have found the dividend because the remainder is 0. Plus you can make it plus 0 is equal to the same, is equal to same, which is equal to, you can write down once again 6x cube plus 7x square. If you are adding with 0, the same thing will be there. So is equal to dividend, which is verified. This way you have to do this. So how will you do the division? When the binomial terms is the divisor, then this is the way you will do it. Okay, we will do 1 or 2 sums so that you will be conversant with. I will do question number 5 also 1 or 2 sum. We will not do the verification, but we will find out the remainder and the question. Let us see with this procedure of division will you be thorough or not. Let us see. It is very easy and very interesting as well, dear. Only thing you need to go with the procedure, you will be able to solve. See, I will take one more sum from question number 5 in this video. So question number 5, let us take one sum. Which one you will do? You will have question number 5 is said quotient and remainder. Find quotient and remainder. How will you do? How will you do? Let us check. We do the division and find it out. The last one I have taken, I think sixth one is fourth one, sorry. Fourth one is question is x cube minus 6x square, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square plus 2. So do the division. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square plus 2. What will you do? Multiply to get x cube with x square, x only. So x will be multiplied. So x cube. Now x will be multiplied with other term also, as many terms of the divisor that are 2x. 2x will be written here only because x below the like term. Now do the subtraction. This will be minus sign. This 2 will be cancelling. The minus 6x square will come down, and if you do it, it will be 9x. If you do the subtraction, minus 6 will come down. Now what you are going to multiply? What you are going to multiply next, so that you will get minus 6x square. If you multiply this one with minus 6, so minus 6 into x square is minus 6x square. Now minus 6 multiplied with 2 will be minus 12. That will be written under this. Here will be plus sign, here will be plus sign, this 2 will be cancelling, 9x will come down, and here plus 6 will come down, plus 12 minus 6 is plus 6. See here the x power 1, here the x power 2. So remainder is smaller than the divisor. Will it go for the return go? Therefore quotient is equal to what? 6 minus x minus 6. Remainder is equal to how much? 9x plus 6. When the remainder will be there, if the variable more power is on the divisor, that time the divisor is greater, remainder is smaller, you don't have to do the division. That will be your answer. Check the answer. Question number 5, fourth one, you will find the correct answer. Question number 5, fourth one, x minus 6 is the question and 9x plus 6 is the remainder. Okay, now can you verify once again the sum, and once again one more division let us do and verify. See question number 6. We will do question number 6. Let us see. Question number 6 is telling. Question number 6 is telling you have to verify the answer. No, divide and check the answer. Divide and check your answer. I will take one question out of this. I will take the last one, 6th one. What is given? 5x square plus 2xy. 5x square plus 2xy minus 3y square. Minus 3y square divided by what? 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3y, I think 3y. So do this. 5x minus 3y, you keep it as your divisor, write down the dividend properly and do the division. How much you will multiply to 5x so that you will get 5x square? Definitely x, so 5x square you got it. X will be multiplied with this, so 3xy minus 3xy. That will be written under this like term. Do the subtraction, this will be cancelled. This will become plus, so 5xy minus 3y square. See, 5, if you multiply this one with y, then you will get 5xy. So plus y you multiply, so 5xy, and plus y if you are multiplying, then minus 3y square. So both will be cancelling, very nice. So question came how much? X plus y, and remainder 0. Therefore, how will you verify? Checking the answer. How will you do the verification? Divisor into quotient. If you multiply, then what will happen? 5x square plus minus 3xy. This will be multiplying with x. Now y plus 5xy. Under like term you are written minus 3y square. If you do it, then 5x square plus 2xy minus 3y square. And if you add remainder 0, then also it will come 5x square plus 2xy minus 3y square. Verify it. Is equal to dividend. You write down is equal to dividend, dividend. Verify it. So your answer is correct, which is equal to dividend. You just check. So this way you are supposed to solve this. Could you understand? I will do one trinomial divisor in the next video.